Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can fix the Direct 3D X9 40.dll error or not found or missing on from your PC. So I can find this article from Livewire. Thank you for this article provided for us. So first thing to do, you can restart your computer if you have not yet. This error might be fluke, and simple restart could clear it up completely. And of course you can install the latest version of Microsoft DirectX. Here you can try to download the latest version of DirectX. For example, if you use Windows 11, you can download the latest version from Microsoft.com. Here, DirectX Web Setup exe. This is the executive files. So, you can always download any important Microsoft software from the official website. For example, DirectX end user runtimes, and of course the DirectX end user runtime. Try to install all the software that supported for your software installation, such as a C+, redistributable file, and of course you can uninstall the software or games program and then reinstall it again. And here you can try to restore a file from the latest DirectX software package. And of course you have to update drivers for your GPU or video cards. So feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also click the text button below. See you in the next video.